Is this the best value flagship of 2025? The OnePlus 15R brings Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 power, a 165Hz AMOLED display, and a huge 7,400 mAh battery. Let's quickly break down the key highlights. The OnePlus 15R, launching on 17 December 2025, is positioned as a high-value flagship that brings premium features at a more accessible price point. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset and pairs that with a vivid 1.5K AMOLED display with a 165Hz refresh rate, delivering fluid visuals for gaming and media. The phone houses a 400 mAh battery, the largest ever in a OnePlus device, with 80W fast charging for quick top-ups and strong longevity. Its camera setup centers on a 50MP main sensor and supports 4K video at 120fps for high-quality capture. Running Android 16 with OxygenOS 16, the OnePlus 15R also offers modern connectivity, robust performance, and refined software features. Early estimates place it in the mid-range flagship price segment, making it an attractive choice for users seeking flagship power without flagship pricing. So, does the OnePlus 15R deliver enough flagship performance for its price? Share your thoughts below and stay tuned for more fast and updated tech videos.